While I was trying to figure out what plugin we were going to use to replicate what it is that we have in here under Jack Threads, or in fact, the kind of menu system that you would find on any major online store, I ran into a problem. And the problem was that every plugin that could do something like this was not free. They were all premium plugins. Some were $29, some were as high as $39, and so on and so forth. So I was really discouraged. I was thinking to myself, wow, I might have to actually use a premium plugin to build out the mega menu for the online store. Luckily, though, I can be very stubborn when it comes to searching for free stuff. So I hung in there and I kept searching, trying to find a free plugin with which we could use to build out a mega menu. And I'm very happy to tell you that I finally found such a plugin. And this plugin is called the WR Mega Menu, and it's by Woo Rockets. And let me just say a huge thank you to these guys for making this plugin free, because it is amazing what it can do. It is a fantastic plugin, and it is one that I absolutely recommend. Let's go ahead and quickly download the plugin quickly before they make it premium. So let's go ahead and install the plugin quickly. Appearance, plugins, add new. All right, upload the plugin, and let me just drag that in here, drop it in, install now. Install and activate the plugin. And cool. All right, so you get this message, blah, 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 blah. All right, I am going to come down here to add new. We'll have to create a profile for our main menu. So I'm going to click add new. And now in here, the title is going to be main menu. Okay. And as you can see, the location has been set to the primary menu. This is the menu where we want to turn on the mega menu. So I'm going to click publish. All right, now here are the top categories that we have on our main menu. As you can see over here, these are the menu items that we have. The subcategories aren't showing, but that's not important. What I want to do is to click on clothing, because clothing is one of the categories that has subcategories. It has t-shirts and hoodies under it, right? So I'm going to click on turn on mega menu for this particular category. Now in here right now, I can begin to design the row that I have laid out for me. In here, I can click add a column, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on add a column. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want a mega menu that has the following kind of structure. It has an image to the left, and then it has text to the right. So now in here, I have the ability to add different elements. I'm going to click on add element for the very first column. And in here, I'm going to click on image. Okay. And now in here, we can add the image file. And let's go with a t-shirt. Let's go with a really nice t-shirt. Let's go with the gray one. Let's go with the gray t-shirt. Insert into the post. And you can see the preview right here. Okay, cool. All right. I'm going to click on save. Now in here to the right, I'm going to click on add element. I'm going to click on text. And we already have some default text in here, as you can see. So I can choose to either keep that or I can trim it down. Let me just keep that as it is right now. Let me click on save. Let's click on update. Now let's take a look at our main menu now and see what we have. Come under clothing and take a look at that. We have clothing, we have the shirt, and then we have the text next to it. Isn't that awesome? This is really, really awesome. Okay, cool, nice. Let's come back. Let's go back to the clothing. Now what I'm going to do is to create another row for the hoodies, row. So what I'm going to do is to click on add row. Okay. And now in here, or rather, I'm sorry, before even doing that, you can simply come down here and then select the kind of row you want to add, the structure of the row. you have 2 columns, you have 3 columns, 4 columns, and so on and so forth. You have 2 columns over here, but with different sizes. The first column here is smaller than the second column. So anyway, I'm just going to go with the 6x6. I'm going to click that. So now we have the 2 columns all over again. So I'm going to click on Add Element. Let's go with an image. Let's select an image for a hoodie. Let's go with, what color do we go with in this case? Let's go with the red one. Let's insert into the post. Let's click Save. Let's come down here to the right, Add Element. Click on Text again. And let me just save that. Let's update. Let's now come over here and refresh the page all over again. Come down to clothing and take a look at that. Feast your eyes on that. This is, I'm sorry, I get a little bit excited. This looks good, okay? Even though, yeah, we can still do so much better, but you can see right now our main menu is starting to look a lot better than the default menu style that we had with WordPress. So this is a quick teaser to what we can do with this plugin. I don't want this video to go on too long, so I'm going to stop the video right here. Join me in the next class where we'll continue to enhance the beauty and the functionality of our main menu using this wonderful free plugin. I will see you then.